Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're going to be making a keto crispy peanut butter ball. Guys, this recipe it reminds me almost of those vanilla wafers that they used to sell in the store. I don't know if you guys remember them, but they have a crispy wafer feel to them. I know you guys gonna love it. Plus, there are only 2 net carbs per ball. 2 net carbs, guys. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, let's get started. We're going to start off by adding in our cereal. This is the high key cereal. It's a keto low carb cereal. It's a protein cereal. It's very low on carbs, and it's perfect for this recipe because it gives it that crisp flavor, that texture. I mean, the crispy texture you get from like wafers and stuff like that. So this is going to be vital to the recipe. So I have it linked in the bottom where you can get it at on Amazon. All right, moving on, guys. We're going to go ahead and add in our peanut butter. Also, all the ingredients that I'm using, I'll have the exact amounts linked in the description below. All right, we're going to go ahead and add in some of the Walden's Farm maple syrup. And if you've been with the channel for a while, you already know I'm a Walden's Farm fanatic. I love their products, basically because you can sweeten up a lot of things with it without adding no calories and no carbs. So I highly suggest it. All right, now we can go ahead and add in our vanilla. Let's get that added in. And once we've done that, we're going to mix everything thoroughly. Guys, I'm telling you, y'all are going to love this recipe. It is awesome for like desserts, fat bombs. You can use it kind of like for anything. Midday snacks. Y'all gonna love this, man. I promise you. All right, so now that we have everything mixed, what I did was I grabbed a baking pan and I lined it with aluminum foil, and then we're going to cookie scoop out the cereal mixture onto this sheet. Now, the reason I use the aluminum foil because it transfers temperature really well. So because this is going to have to go inside the refrigerator. So, rather the freezer. So while it's in there with that aluminum foil, it kind of cools everything and get it, hard, solid. So when you go to dip it in the chocolate, it don't fall apart on you. So that's why I use the aluminum foil. All right, moving on. All right, guys, we're going to melt our chocolate. I use the double boiler method. It's just a pot with boiling water at the bottom, and I put in some coconut oil mixed with the chocolate, and I melted it down. You guys can do this in the microwave. It's completely up to you. You just don't want to burn it, that's all. All right, now that our chocolate's melted, we're going to go ahead and pull out our cereal mixture out of the freezer after 15 minutes, and we're going to coat them all in the chocolate. Now, guys, I was able to get around 25-ish balls out of this recipe, so it makes a lot. So it's something that you can use if you're doing meal prep, like weekly, meals. This is something that's great for that too. So it's just an idea to let you guys know. But anyhow, you can kind of watch the video and see the process. Also, if you didn't want it to coat some of them, you can also do that too, because I tried it without the chocolate, and it's amazing without the chocolate, guys, just to let you know. All right, guys, once I had them coated and all dressed up, this is what they look like. That's it for the video. Also, I dressed it out in that's crushed peanuts, and also, guys, that Walden Farms, man. I drizzled a little bit of that Walden Farm caramel on top of it, kind of give it a nice little caramel flavor, just in case you guys was wondering. But anyhow, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.